how to install Moho scripts or any custom scripts. It's very simple. After you've opened up Moho, then you head over to the script tab, then you click on install scripts. So here you have some instruction, no problem. All you need to do is to select this, then you need to head over to where you install where you downloaded the script you want to install. So I think I have mine here already. So I'll click on this first one, okay, then select folder. It says installation complete. Now nothing might happen, okay. So let's see, based on what I have done now, let me try to click on the timeline and let's see. Okay, let's see if I should select turn this to bone, just to show you. Okay, based on the script that was selected, let's click on the other one. Probably it was the type of script I was installed, so no problem. So select this again, and let's move back to let me use this. They are all the same script, different scripts, okay. So target, okay, let me use this target move joints, okay, and install. So when you see, you notice that this is already there, right? It's as simple as that to install the script you prefer, okay. And it's a very good good way to start, because as I'm installing it, yes, and that one again, I'm not trying to just install all the scripts I'll be using, since this is a new system I'm using. Just trying to install my necessary scripts, okay. And that is how to install your scripts. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye for now. One love.